Air Innovations manufactures the most innovative and highest quality humidifiers ever created. Air Innovations introduces the ultrasonic clean mist dual tank smart humidifier, model 801B, tabletop and floor standing humidifier. It has a 2.15-gallon tank infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base. A permanent ceramic filter that never needs to be replaced, dual tank handles for easy filling and carrying, a 15-inch extension nozzle, a dual directional mist nozzle, built-in humidistat, programmable on and off timer, and a remote control. The ultrasonic cool mist technology means it's completely silent and safe to the touch, and it even runs up to 120 hours on one tank. That's almost 15 nights of sleep before you have to refill it. That's one of the longest-running humidifiers available on the market today. Here's a look inside. What you are seeing is clean mist technology in action. It comes with a permanent ceramic filter, and the tank and base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to help prevent microbial growth on the surface of the tank and base, sending water to the ultrasonic atomizer to create a plume of cool, refreshing moisture. Because it's so affordable and efficient, you can put one in every room in your home. Air Innovations, the leader in humidification technology.